So are you able to see my screen now?
Yes. No. Yes.
So now we are at workflow rules.
Yes.
So in workflow rules, we have done two modules. One is field update and email alert, right?
Yeah.
So did
Yes.
you remember those two things?
I roughly remember. We can just,
Yeah, okay. Once again, I'll show it to you. But
yeah.
there will be entry questionnaire about workflow rule. That will be
Okay.
that is common questionnaire about workflow rule. What are the actions we can do it in workflow rule? Did you
Okay.
remember?
In interview, you're
Yes,
talking about.
yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Did you remember what are the actions we can do it in workflow rules?
I don't remember.
You can see the answer here. There are four actions in
Yes.
workflow
Field
rule.
update,
Yeah,
task, email alert, and outbound message.
yes.
Field update.
So in this, we have done field update and
Field
email alert,
update and email alert.
right? But in email alert, again coming to the email alert, we can send four types of email alerts. One is text email and custom page and HTML page and visual force
We
page.
have just seen the custom one, no? Right?
Yes,
I don't remember the message one.
that's what we have seen only text message. Maximum we can send only text. A visual force page it will comes in development page. We will not do anything.
Okay.
Custom letterhead in the sense in organization itself they'll provide one PDF sheet. That sheet we can attach and we can send it. That's it.
Okay.
Let me show it to you now. So in email alert, we have seen earlier like 1 minute. Yes, this one. Welcome on
Yeah.
board, dear candidate. Congratulations, you have been selected for the question of developer role in XYZ Solutions. All the best.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this is what we have uploaded in email template. So
Yeah.
now we have stopped this module at this one personalized email. So here
Hmm.
after seeing this mail, we are not sure who has selected, right? After seeing this mail, can you
Yeah.
confirm that who got selected exactly?
No.
We are not sure.
No.
So
No.
that's the reason. So whenever if you want to send normal email in sense without personalized anything. So that will
Mhm.
be constant. That will be related to everyone. So that time we can go like this. If you want to send personalized email to somebody else, then we need to do it personalized email template again. So now we can see
Okay.
once again. So this is the classic environment. So in this, we have done workflow rule on employees list,
Right.
right? So what are the things we have done? Here, interview status, field
That's
update, and email.
yeah.
Email of employee. These two fields. If you give these two fields, then only I mean here you need not to fill this field. You need not to fill up everything, anything that will be automated. And email of employee you need to give. Then only they'll be getting receive the email. Okay.
Okay.
So now we can see. Okay. Before that, so can you tell me the path where we can go for the flow rule setup and workflow rule
Workflow rule.
is here, and we have one workflow rule. So
Yes.
click on it. So criteria we gave two criteria. One is greater than or equal to 5 and technology SFDC. These are the
SFTC. Yeah.
criteria. And these three things, once we have completed all the four actions, we'll discuss only for these three in one class. Okay.
Okay.
So I just saved, and here you can see the actions. what are the actions we have done as of now. So email alert field update. So if you want to see what is that email alert, you can see here. If you click on this, if it is
Select.
criteria met, selected will be
Select.
displayed in that particular field. Where it will be
Yeah.
displayed? This
In
particular,
that employee. Yeah.
yes, interview status here.
Yeah.
Here you can see. Okay. And another welcome email. See here. We can see welcome email to whom we are send additional emails. I have added in BCC email template. You can see all these things here. But now I just want to know this email template. What are things will be seeing. We can attach email template also here. If you need
Yeah.
anything, we can attach.
Yes.
But the size will be up to 5 MB we can attach. And here, if
Mm-hmm.
you want to paste it, you can paste it here. So now here I want to make it as personalized email.
Okay.
So here also we can do it personalized email. But to understand, I'm going back to directly here. Just click on classic email templates. And here just check where is welcome email. Yes, here. Just edit. So in this, you can see folder name. We are pasting this in unfiled public class email templates, and template name we welcome email we give. Description we need not to give anything here. Subject it is showing welcome on board.
Hmm.
Okay. So here what I'm doing is welcome on board Mr. or Miss or something, and I'm giving X symbols here. Okay, I'll tell you why I'm giving like this. Okay, and again here, dear candidate, here I'm just giving equal symbol. Okay, and next, congratulations, you have been selected for the position of developer role in XYZ Solutions. XYZ. Okay, so here you can see we have option called as merge fields. To do personalized email, we can go with merge option. So merge in the sense you understand, right? Two fields we can
Yes. To
bring.
merge.
Yes.
Yeah.
So here you can see select field type and select
Hmm.
field and merge field value. Here you can get it. So
Hmm.
on which object we are doing it?
Employee.
Yes, employee list field. We got it. And
Hmm.
here, if you click on this, in employee object, what are the fields available? It will shows here.
Okay.
So employee list name, address proof, and experience employee name. So first employee name only it is there. Okay. So
Hmm.
here employee name I give. So once you selected here, merge field value will comes here.
Okay.
Okay. So just copy it and paste here. That's it.
Okay. So
That
hmm.
value bring out here. That's it.
Okay.
And
Okay.
same way, here we need to mention name, right? So we can mention here. That's it.
The same thing.
Same thing. So because here
And then it
we are
will
mentioning the name,
automatically
right?
get.
So apart from this,
Okay.
if you want to add any some other value, so here you have been selected for the position of developer role in XYZ solution. Do we have any organization name here? Technology experience and the employee. Okay, country name we don't have, but I can add it again. One more column here. So you have been selected for the position of developer role in XYZ solution, and you
You
will
will
be
be.
moved to country name.
Hmm.
Okay, we need to mention country name here. So here, same way I can add here. So here, country name you can see. Yeah, country name, and just copy this value and paste here. Got it?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So now just save this option. Okay. Again, I'm going back here. So there is one option, and here also you can do the same. Just maximize this. No, this is not the right one. Sorry, not this one. The setup, workflow rule, and here I'm just click on edit. So now we can see it will come or not. So can I have your email ID, please?
My first name Pranjali DG.
Yes, I got it.
The first one. Yes.
And I'm just leaving this. And workflow rule field update, it has been successfully completed, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And can you please check your email?
Yes.
See here.
Dear Priyanka. Yes. But why I can't see the country name. Okay, we have not mentioned any
No,
country. That's why.
yes, I haven't mentioned. I just show it to you how it will be. That's it. I haven't
Okay.
saved it. If you want, you
Okay. Got
can again we'll do it. 1 minute. We have saved this, and now We'll move to country one. We move to it's coming, but country name is not coming. Why like
Because
this?
we have not, when we filled up the form over there, we have not added the country.
Oh shit, that's my miss. 1 minute. I'll do it one more thing.
Yeah.
Where is country name here? Oh, okay. So now I can see whether we'll get country name or not. Yeah, and you'll be
Yes, now
moved to
country name
this.
is coming. Yeah.
Okay, so now you understood mail update, right? So
Yes.
normal mail,
Yes.
how we have to send, you understood, and this one,
Yep.
personalized email also you understood.
Yes, I know.
So now another thing. So what is the criteria we got it exactly now? So here, what is the criteria we followed? See, one employee attended the interview and he has selected. This is for
Yeah.
our internal communication, okay,
Yeah.
and this is for employee communication. Okay.
Yeah.
So once employee got selected in the organization, what is the next step?
Then we have to send them the mail.
Yes,
Then
we have to
we
send the
have
documents
created.
to somebody else in the organization. So
Yeah.
uh, just have a look on this and HR team, operations manager, and candidate. Okay. So once
Mm.
operation manager confirms that candidate is selected, then he'll be getting it. Candidate will be getting the mail from organization side, and operation
Mm.
manager will be receiving this text message. Okay, field update. And now
Mm-hmm.
there will be another person whose work will be to collect the documents from the agents. Candidate side.
Mm.
So that person has to send the mail to the person, and he has to inform that I'm so and so, and please provide the documents within so and so date, and then we'll send the offer letter. So like that, he has to send one mail to the candidate. So that
Yes.
we can consider as task management. Okay, so now in the organization, somebody else will be there to complete that task, right?
Right.
So
Right.
now go to email template, no sorry, workflow room, and here to give the task in workflow room, to give the task action in workflow room. So just click on it, and here if you click on this, then you can understand, you can see a new task.
Mm.
And sometimes you won't get this new task option. So let me see. If you're not getting a new task option, then what you have to do is just go back to objects, objects, and here select any object. Okay, job question object.
Mm.
So job question object, just click on edit and see here. In this object, for job question object, if you see optional features, there is no tick mark at allow activities.
Allow
If
activities.
if
Okay.
there is no tick mark and allow activities, then you won't be able to create task for that particular object.
Okay.
Okay, just remember this. Sometimes you won't be getting the task option. That time you can check the object has this feature or not. And now same way we can see employee list. Where is this? Yes, here. Yeah, we gave already. So it's showing tick mark, allow activities. So that is the reason when I click on here, it's showing new task.
Okay.
Got it? And same way, we earlier you asked when can we learn reports and dashboard module. So same way here you can see allow reports. While you're creating object, if you are not click on this for that particular object, you will not be having access to create the reports for that object.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Got it? That is our future
Yeah.
topic, but I'm telling you for your understanding. That's it. Okay. So now we'll see for task management. So before checking the task, we can see the users, how many users are available. So here I'm the user and HR team. Do we have any person here? So we can give this task to Srikanth, person who can send a mail to the candidates. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I just check the users. Okay. And now going back to the flow route and just click on new task. Once you click on task here, you can get like this and not started, in progress, deferred. We have different status. So here we haven't started anything, right? So just click on not started and object name employee list assign to. Here we need to assign this task to somebody else. Okay, so just click on it and here we'll be getting users. So just click on Srikanth and subject, please collect the documents. And here you can see due date, rule trigger date. So once you got the mail from the organization end, then we'll be having some timeline to submit the documents. So rule trigger
Okay.
date here, we can see employee list created date or current user created or lost login or this one. So don't go with all these things, just go to rule trigger date and just give plus 1 day. That is our wish. We can give up to 99 days, 999
Can you
days.
explain this again? I didn't get you. What is the due date?
Okay, so today you got the mail from organization, right?
Okay.
And we'll be having timeline to send the documents up to some 1 week time or some 3 days time like that. Okay, so that
Okay.
information who has to give to us? Somebody else.
Employee. Yes.
Somebody else from the organization. So that
Right.
person, when he has to send the mail to us, maybe same day or
Okay.
very next day. So that
Okay.
one,
Got it. Got it. Within
that
that period, we can
yes,
give that.
rule trigger date in the sense when this email
Mhm.
got triggered, after that they
Mhm.
are giving a timeline here. So after
Got
one
it.
day, we'll be getting mail from HR side. You can submit the documents like that. Got it? Whichever days you are
Yeah.
giving, those days timeline it will take it to receive the mail from HR side. This is not like timeline to submit the documents. This is a timeline for the HR team to send the
To
mail to you. That's it.
okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
now here I am just giving here dear candidate. Okay, and now I just saved it. So here, can
Okay.
you please understand what are the drawback we have here? Here there is no BCC option. Only assigned person will be getting will be having the rights to
Okay.
send the email, and there is no predefined email. That means personalized email
We
to
can.
send personalized email. We don't have option here.
Okay.
Okay, so whatever context mail we
And we
have,
cannot attach anything over here, right?
no, we cannot. Yes, good observation. We cannot attach any document here.
Mm-hmm.
So that will be available only in email update. So email
Right.
alert is different and task update is
And
different.
task is different. Got it.
Got it? So now
Yeah.
I'm just saving this. So here we have three task updates, right? So now third one we can see either this will be available or not. You may get one doubt. I'm waiting for that doubt. Okay, so let me see that.
Okay.
So you may get mail and
Let me check.
field update has been done. So we can see here. Yeah, I got it. So
Yes. I
now
got you.
we know two field updates has been done. How can we know
Yeah.
that third person, I mean third action has been done or not? Because that has to be done from next day. We gave a rule ticket 1 day, right? How many days
Right.
we gave? Let me check how many days we gave.
One day.
Yeah, 1 day only we gave. So that
Yeah.
means tomorrow only we'll be getting it. But that will be candidate and assigned person will be understand. How may we know?
Right.
So for that, I because I'm the administrator and I'm the owner for all these things, right? So I can log in as
Mm-hmm.
somebody else here. So I can log in as this user and let me check either this is available or not. Home page.
It should reflect on task, now.
Yes, this task page itself not available. So let me check once again. I'm logged in and so in task if it is not available, just check, go to setup and home page layout. Yes, here home page layout and here it's showing developer edition default. DE default means developer edition default and just click on edit.
Okay.
Yes, task is available here. So now we can see whether it is working or not. Task calendar items to approve. So now I can log in as user. task is not showing. 1 minute. It is not showing. Why? Give me a minute. This for me is getting the task, but why that another user is not getting it?
On left side, we can see please collect the document required.
Where you are getting it? I'm not getting you.
See that blue, can you see that blue box? Recent items.
Where you are saying, madam?
No, 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 no. On that screen, same screen. On the blue box is there, no? Recent items.
Yes, this one here. I'm getting it.
Huh.
I'm the user, so I'm getting it. But
Oh,
I'm
okay,
not
okay.
getting it as a Srikanth.
Oh, got it.
So that's what
Mm-hmm.
I'm saying.
Mm-hmm.
Let me check as user. Okay, let me check. Uh, So now I can log in as Vijaya. Okay. So there is a profile issue for that particular user.
Okay.
So that will take it later. So here I have assigned to Vijaya another user. So for
Mm-hmm.
Vijaya it is showing task, and here we can see up to 1 month. So we can take it next step 7 days. Do we have any task or not? See here we have one task. So
Okay.
I have logged in as this user, right? So I just click on it, and here I'll just edit. Once I have received the mail, sorry, once I have received the documents from user side, then I'll send this one as completed, or I'll send this one as in progress. In case if it
Okay.
is completed, we can make it as completed, and this one not required. Related to employees list, not required. All these things, and just save. That's it. It has been done. So now I just logged out as this user, and again I'm logging in as. Okay, so now if I click on employees list and this particular ID, then hold on. See here, please collect the documents. If you click on this, you can see completed status.
Okay.
Got it?
Yep.
And again, same way, if you want to add assign to somebody else, you can just click on edit, and you can remove here, and you can give users. You can add users somebody else. Okay. So same way we can see it in lightning. In lightning, if you click on employees list here, and this one is completed, right? So just click on it,
Yeah.
and here you can see the task list here. Task already completed. 1 minute. On this one.
What do you mean by log a call?
That I'll tell you in next session. Not now. Once after completion
Okay.
of all these things, still we have process builder, etc. So that time you can understand these logics.
Okay.
See here. Now earlier I have 80. We have done it right. Complete as a completed task.
Mm-hmm.
And now I'm just clicking on 79. See activity it is showing in the event. We have assigned to Srikanth, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow only you will be getting the mail. So
Okay.
in Lightning we can check here.
Okay.
In activity it shows. But same thing for this or no activity for this because it's completed. Okay. So this is how
Yes.
we can assign the task. Okay, in case if you want to see in task list in home page, here you can see.
But it's completed, maybe that's what's not here.
Yes, that's the reason it is not showing. Overview it is not showing. Today there is no,
Completed one.
yes, completed one.
Completed within. Why it is not showing them?
See here it's showing. It's completed.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So in case if it is not available in home page, in classic I show you right. Home page layout we can go there. But in Lightning, if it is not showing, then go to edit page. Then we'll be getting all these things like this page. Our home page will be getting it. So here task page is coming. If you want to change here, you can change it. That's it.
Okay, it's a drag and drop.
Yes. In case if you want to do the changes and just
Okay.
save it. Oh, sorry, I haven't saved that one. Sorry. You understood, right?
Yes,
How
yes, I got
I
that one.
forgot to
Yeah.
save that one.
Yeah, I
So this is
understood.
how task update will do it. And now last one, workflow rules. 1 minute. So this one you understood, right? In classic.
Yeah.
So if you click on edit, you can see what are the things will be displayed. Items to approve, task, calendar, etc. Okay. And D in the sense developer
Developer.
edition default. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And the workflow rules. So three tasks we have done. Last one coming to our real-time scenarios.
Mm-hmm.
There is a project. In that project, okay, give me a minute. Project and Salesforce is doing front end. Okay, and some other platform like .NET or Python something. They're also working for this project backend. That too only one module they're supporting it. But somehow they need some data from Salesforce side regarding this object. Okay, understood what
Okay.
I'm saying?
Yeah.
So in same project, we have two platforms. So one point of time, whichever we are working for employees list object, this platform people also doing something. So they need a particular data from our side, that too from Salesforce side. So
Okay.
in this point of time, see, we don't have knowledge about that .NET. We don't know how they'll work and what are the logic they'll provide, etc. So we don't know anything. But we
Okay.
need to send the data to them from Salesforce side. So that time we'll go with last action called as outbound messages.
Okay.
So now we can see outbound messages how it works. So as usual, just going back to
So every time this all this thing we have to do it in classic, and then can we not
not like
directly
that,
do in
not like that. Directly we can do it in Lightning itself. So this one
lightning?
I can do it in Lightning directly.
Okay.
So just click on setup, workflow rules.
What is the difference between workflow rules and workflow actions?
So now we are doing workflow actions, everything in rules. Workflow actions same whichever we are doing it. So let me show it. See here, in workflow action itself, it is showing email alert, field update, outbound messages. Total. Got it?
Okay.
In this bracket itself, it's showing. So if you want to make it email alert only, then directly it goes to email alert page. So what are the email alert we have done? It's showing it.
Okay. So we can do this way also, right?
Yeah, we can do it this way also.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
If you click on new email alert, directly it will comes like this. So
Okay.
you directly, if I said workflow rule actions in this page, you won't understand all these things.
Ha ha ha.
So that's the
Got
reason
it.
I'm doing it in this way.
Great. Mm-hmm.
So click on edit. Sorry, sorry. Let me zoom out. So just click on it, and here click on edit. So last one, new outbound message. So click on that. So if you click on that, then you'll be getting this page. Name of that action, and in unique name automatically will take it, and endpoint URL. Endpoint URL in the sense here .NET people will provide one endpoint to us. Same like email ID, how we'll send information to
Right.
customers, etc.
Ha ha ha.
So those
Got it.
people will be send one link to us, HTTPS dot something.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that link we need to paste here. That link we need to paste here. So currently
Okay.
we don't have any link, so dummy link we can use it. So I'll just copy this one. Okay, I'm giving .NET data OTA. .NET data outbound messages. That's what I give the name, and
Okay.
automatically it will take it. And endpoint URL I just gave like this. Dummy link I'm giving. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and the user to send as, because here I'm the user, right? So that's the reason it's showing my name. If you log in, it shows your name.
Okay.
Protected component in the sense, if you click on this, that protected component, in that itself we can understand. It will be
Yeah.
secured component, like that it shows. Send
Okay.
session ID in the sense, once we have sent, once they have received the email from our side, then we'll be receiving one session ID stating that they have received some particular ID and all. That means they have received the data from outside, and for acknowledge they'll send session ID to us.
Okay.
And this one currently I'm not touching anything. And employee list fields. So in employees list we have this many fields. So in
Okay.
this,
So which one we want to send?
yes, so in this we are sending employee name and employee ID and country name, experience in years, and which one we can send, experience. Okay, so only these four we are sending now,
Okay.
and just save it and just click on done. Okay, so now we have done four actions. You know how to check field update, you know how to check email alert, you know how
Written
to see
task.
the task, and how
Yes.
about outbound messages.
I
So
don't know that.
to check that one, just go here and just type it outbound. Yes, yeah. Monitoring outbound message, just click on this. See here. Why there is no information?
Because
Because
we don't have that proper.
no. After completion of outbound messages, I mean after creation of outbound message action, we haven't create any record, right?
Okay, so only new record will be
Yes,
like we
exactly.
cannot send by we cannot send existing record.
No, we cannot do that. So now we
Oh,
can create new one. Madam, if you don't mind, can I have your email ID?
Pranjali Pranjali
Okay.
DG at Gmail. And so you don't call me ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Employee ID. So now here eligible status selected, we got it. And here task list you can see here.
Mm-hmm.
And email I can show it here. Yes, I got the email.
Mm-hmm.
And now we can see outbound messages. Just give
So you have
refresh.
to refresh it. Oh yes.
Now you can understand. You got it right. But here
Yeah.
we
Is
got
failure.
method not allowed because we haven't.
We have
Yes,
dummy.
there is no endpoint to us. We gave one dummy link.
Right.
Got it? If you click on
Got it.
this, okay. So now,
Mhm.
according to our knowledge, this particular outbound message not yet gone to the outbound data people,
Right.
right? So now they're
Right.
asking us to send at least mail if it is not working. So what we can
Okay.
do is once you click on that outbound message, one minute here, just click on it, and here you can see endpoint visual file it is there. So just click on that
Mhm.
visual file, then this is the file they'll be getting it. So just copy this entire entire file. You can just copy it and send the mail to person whichever they provided that mail in, to that mail ID you can send it. So in that they'll get it. They'll take only this data.
Okay.
Got it? You're seeing the names
Mhm. Yes.
because we shared only these four.
Yeah.
So this is how workflow rules will work.
Got it. Yes.
Okay, and tomorrow we can learn what are the which kind of actions we can provide. So give me a minute. Workflow rules. Earlier, I told you, hope you would have remembered, we can do it two types of actions. One is immediate workflow rule, another one is time-based workflow rule.
Time-based workload. Yeah.
So tomorrow, in time-based workflow rules also, all these four actions will work.
Okay.
No other actions will be there. Only these four actions will work, and we can see
Okay.
tomorrow how it works.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubts as of now?
Ah, no, not.
Yeah. Okay. So tomorrow we'll start our class at 5:30.
Yeah, early. Yes.
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.